From the menu on the left, click on Request Assistance and then New Request. Select Technical Assistance from the drop-down menu and General Management from the original module. Assign a title to the request and enter a description of it as detailed as possible. After clicking Send, the response will arrive at the email address indicated, i.e., the one associated with the account you are currently working on. It is also possible to check the status of the request sent by always accessing the left menu, Assistance section, clicking on Request Assistance, and then on Sent Requests. By clicking on the object, you can check the text of the request. It is also possible to check the date of the request and its status. By clicking on the appropriate icon, you can finally reply to the message received from support.